You've probably heard of the ozone layer, protecting you from the sun's ultraviolet rays. But did you know ozone is also one of nature's most powerful cleaners? How does Mother Nature use it? She creates ozone during times of heavy pollution to help purify the air. She also uses lightning's electrical energy to make ozone, resulting in that pure, fresh smell you love after a rainstorm. Mother Nature uses energy to trigger 2 oxygen atoms to collect a third, creating O3. When O3, or ozone, encounters a pathogen, one of the oxygen atoms separates, pierces the cell wall, and destroys it. After ozone's purifying work is done, all that remains is O2, the oxygen we breathe. The FDA, USDA, and EPA have approved ozone as an antimicrobial disinfectant. 3,000 times faster and 50% more powerful than bleach, ozone kills staph, salmonella, E. coli, listeria, strep, MRSA, mold, mildew, and more, and leaves no chemical residue. You can follow Mother Nature's lead and generate ozone on demand to make your life cleaner, safer, and healthier. Purify your drinking water and sanitize meats, countertops, and cutting boards. Wash fruits, vegetables, and flowers with it, extending their shelf life and removing pesticides. Kill germs on pacifiers, toothbrushes, and other personal items. Eliminate odors associated with smoking, cooking, fresh carpet, new paint, glue, and more. Keep pet areas smelling fresh, and remove odors from clothing and furniture. You can use ozone to keep your air clean anywhere, in your home, garage, car, RV, boat, or even a hotel. With Oz, the Wizard of Clean, you can generate ozone that lasts about 20 minutes, does its job, and then safely returns to the oxygen we breathe. Green and sustainable, ozone is one of Mother Nature's amazing gifts, making your life cleaner.